Hi there, it's Chris here, OntarioLive.com. Today's little video is pics we took at our recent visit to Caffe Demetre's in Burlington. From the picture, you'll see all the wonderful desserts that's available, and it's just a fraction of what's really available. So if you're looking for a place in Burlington or in Southern Ontario for just desserts, check out Demetre's. Waffles, ice cream, coffee, tons and tons of baked goods, and as well as crepes. There's so many things you can create here at Caffe Demetre's in Burlington. The options are endless. So again, if you're looking for a full review of Caffe Demetre's, or you're looking for pictures, anything to do with Caffe Demetre's, be sure to check out OntarioLive.com. Keyword search Caffe Demetre's. And I do hope you guys enjoy the pictures, and please leave your comments below. Caffe Demetre's, Burlington, Ontario. Cheers.